Today, I'll show you how to create a matrix style transition in CapCut PC. This effect adds a digital rain transition between clips, giving your video that iconic cyberpunk look. Let's jump in. First, import your two video clips onto the timeline, placing them side by side. Now, head over to the transitions panel and search for matrix rain. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the effect between your two clips. By default, the transition will have a set duration, but you can adjust it by dragging the edges on the timeline or using the duration slider in the settings panel, shorten it for a quick glitchy effect, or extend it for a smooth digital fade. And that's it. You've successfully created a matrix style transition in CapCut PC. Play around with the duration to match your video spacing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips.